As this cloud approaches the international data line, a new microwave pulse occurred from October 8th, 8 p.m. UTC. Now, let us wait for 2 or 3 days, and see what happens to the cloud near the area where the microwave anomaly or pulse occurred. "24 hours after the first anomaly appeared, another microwave pulse occurred in almost the same area, but a new pattern was observed. Let us zoom in to see the extent of the pulse. Watch this area in 2 days' time and a new low pressure will develop. A small circulation will also start here. Two days later on October 12th at 2 a.m. UTC. Now let us see what happened to the westerly moving clouds after the first and second pulse. This cloud moves quickly towards longitude 140 east. The clouds near the second pulse also moves toward the west, and merge with the other clouds. A slow circulation is noticeable on October 12th, 12 a.m. UTC. Two anomalies appeared south of Typhoon Vangfang on October 12th at 10 a.m. UTC for about 10 hours.